Many people have heard of DeFi, but just a few know what it really is. With DeFi, you can earn tens of thousands of dollars a month. In this video, we will go in details about what DeFi is, how it works, and most importantly, how to make money with it. I will tell you about different ways to make money, including passive income with DeFi. Well, don't forget to give us a like, and let's get started. DeFi is short for decentralization finance. Essentially, it's a new way to do financial transactions without banks and other intermediaries. Instead of going to a bank to transfer money or process the loan, you can do it directly with other users over the internet. Such a system is quickly becoming popular because it is more convenient and cheaper than the usual financial services. Today, you can already do a lot of things in DeFi that only banks used to be able to offer. For example, you can already exchange currency or take loans, and every day there are new opportunities and services. Let's try to understand how DeFi differs from conventional financial services and why it is so closely related to blockchain. Blockchain is like a big digital journal where all transactions are recorded. We already have a separate video about blockchain on our channel, so we won't dwell on it. At DeFi, it is used to allow people to make transactions between each other securely. This could be exchange cryptocurrency, taking out, borrowing, or investing. So, what exactly is DeFi? DeFi is a blockchain-based financial service that doesn't require banks. This means you can use cryptocurrency for a wide variety of transactions. For example, you can borrow and lend, earn interest on investment, trade assets, or even buy insurance. The services are usually faster and more convenient than traditional services, and new ways to use them appear almost every day. So, this is a way of working with money where people can directly interact with each other without the help of banks or other organizations. All transactions go through special programs on the blockchain called smart contracts. Thanks to this, money is transferred quickly and with minimal fees. To use such services, you just need to have internet and digital wallet. This makes decentralized finance accessible to everyone, no matter where they live and what their income is. Centralized finance is the system we all know and use every day. To make a payment or take out a loan, we go to a bank or other financial organization where all processes are highly controlled. The bank or other organization acts like intermediaries, which means that every transaction goes through them and requires additional cost and time. DeFi works differently. Here, you don't need a bank or any intermediaries. All transactions go directly between users through special application running on the blockchain. This saves time and money because commissions and other costs related to using banks are avoided. The more important advantage of DeFi is its availability. In the normal finance system, not everyone has an opportunity to open a bank account or use a loan. Some countries don't even have banks where people can store their money. DeFi solved this problem because you only need the internet and the digital wallet to use such services. This opens up new opportunities for people around the world who could not use financial services before. Another difference between DeFi and traditional finance is flexibility. In centralized system, there is a clear schedule of work. For example, stock exchanges work only during certain hours a day. In DeFi, there is no such restrictions. You can make transactions at any time, regardless of the day of the week or time of the day. To start using decentralized finance, you need to create a digital wallet that will store your cryptocurrency. When you want to make a transaction, you choose the appropriate application and set the conditions that the program must fulfill. For example, you can set up an automatic monthly transfer of money to a certain account. The contracts will work as long as they are found in your wallet. Once the contract is set up, it could not be changed anymore. This keeps your funds safe, as no one will be able to transfer the money to another account. Well, We've dealt with the theory. Now, let's move on the ways of earning money. I will say right away that there are a lot of opportunities to earn in DeFi, but we will analyze the most basic ways for income. First up is staking. Everyone seems to have heard of it by now. It is an easy way to earn money from your cryptocurrencies without selling them. Imagine a savings account in a bank where you keep your money and get interest. In other words, a regular bank deposit. A similar principle works here, but instead of money, you deposit your cryptocurrency. These assets are locked in a special system and help it to work safely and securely. When you participate in staking, you sort of freeze your cryptocurrency for a certain period of time. In return for this, the network pays you rewards. This could be new tokens or a portion of commission from transactions that take place on the network. That is, you don't just keep cryptocurrency in your wallet, you help the system and you get profit for it. It's like renting out an apartment. Instead of just standing empty, it brings you income. The benefits of staking are obvious. First, it's a great way to generate passive income. You don't have to actively trade or follow the market. You simply invest your assets and receive regular rewards. Secondly, it helps the network itself because more stable and secure. After all, the more people participate in staking, the more difficult it is for a person to influence its work. The second way to earn money is by providing liquidity. I know, the name itself sounds complicated. I will try to explain it in a simple language and using examples. Providing liquidity is the way to help DeFi platform work efficiently and also to make money from it. Imagine a marketplace where goods and money must always be available so that people can easily buy and sell. At DeFi, this market is provided by so-called liquidity pools. Yes, as the liquidity provider, add two cryptocurrencies to this pool. For example, it could be the Ethereum cryptocurrency and the stablecoin. These pools allow users to easily exchange one cryptocurrency for another. When someone makes a transaction on such an exchange, part of the commission for that transaction goes to you. This is your income for providing your assets to the platform. Simply put, it is like you renting out your cryptocurrencies and the platform is paying you for it. The benefits of providing liquidity are pretty obvious. First, it is an easy way to earn passive income. You don't have to actively trade or constantly monitor the market. You simply deposit your assets into the pool and get your share of the commissions. It's like if you put money on deposit and receive a percentage. Except in this case, you are helping the cryptocurrency platform work. Secondly, you are helping to improve the DeFi market itself. The more liquidity in the pool, the easier it is for users to exchange cryptocurrency. And that makes market more stable and efficient. So, you are not only earn, but also help the development of the decentralized financial system. The next way of earning is related to loans. Now you have the opportunity to borrow and lend directly without having to go to the bank. Such lending allows you to give your cryptocurrencies to people who need them. And for this, you get interest as if your money is in your saving account. DeFi platforms like Aave and Compound offer convenient lending options. Users can get cryptocurrency loans on more favorable terms than conventional banks. This makes the process of getting a credit more available and profitable for participants. The main benefit of this approach includes the ability to earn passive income. You can earn interest on your cryptocurrency by simply lending them to borrowers. This way of earning money doesn't require a lot of time and effort. In addition, interest rates on such platforms are usually higher than traditional banks, which makes borrowing more profitable. It is also worth noting that DeFi lending is more open. Participants are able to see terms and rates and interact directly with each other. This reduces the influence of intermediaries and increases the transparency of financial transactions. The next way of earning money is ideal for creative people. DeFi content monetization platforms offer interesting opportunities for creators. They allow them to earn money for their creativity. With services like mirrors and audios, writers, musicians, and artists can earn money from their work. Creators can tokenize their work, meaning they can turn articles, songs, and artwork into unique digital tokens. This means that every time someone uses or buys their creation, they receive a portion of the income in the form of tokens. This approach creates a closer and more profitable relationship between creators and their fans. One of the main advantages of these platforms is the direct monetization of content. This means that creators can bypass traditional intermediaries, such as publishers or producers, and earn directly from their work. This gives them more control of earning power. In addition, decentralized ownership allows creators to retain the rights to their work. They can rest assured that their creativity remains under their control and will not be used without their consent. It is also important to know that DeFi platforms open up access to a wider audience. This allows creators to go international and reach out to people from different parts of the world. Well, that's conclude this video. More useful videos about cryptocurrency, finance, and different ways to earn money are waiting for you on our channel. Don't forget to put the like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new releases. Token Team was with you. Thank you for being with us and see you in the next video.